Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com, bringing you the May 2023 edition of Crafting at the Lake House. This crafting event took place in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right on the beautiful Okanagan Lake. The annual catalog was celebrated in the projects, so look for new, fresh ideas. There are 12 projects featuring 12 different Stampin' Up! Products, plus 2 bonus projects in this fun video mini-series. There is a link in the description box below to purchase the written PDF in case you're so inclined. I totally appreciate the support. Thank you in advance. So I do hope you have fun watching the videos and get inspired. Hello Fruit Loops, it's Suzanne here, and this is the bonus card number 2 featuring the Circle Sayings bundle. This is actually a really cute little bundle, so let's get into the card. This is a thick, basic white piece of cardstock. This is boho blue cardstock that has been embossed with the Basics 3D embossing folder. And it's actually quite, I like this embossing folder. I'm getting into the jive of embossing folders lately. Anyway, I've adhered that to my card base. And then this is the, let's see, it's the 2 3/8 inch punch. And I am inking up the flower image from the stamp set, Circle Sayings, and inking up with boho blue twice to create a floral circle wreath. I used Night of Navy ink for the sentiment and fussy cut that out. I also did some fussy cutting of this video so that you don't have to see me do it the whole thing, but voila. Amazing editing done by moi. Okay, so this is, what's it called? Countryside in Designer Series paper. It's 1 inch by 4 inch. I'm fishtailing the ends, or flagging the ends, whatever you want to call it. And I do have a strip of adhesive on the back of that. And I'm going to put it on the top third of the card. And I'm also going to use the boho blue textured ribbon. This is a very soft ribbon. It's true to the color. Sometimes ribbons are a little bit off of color. This is the boho blue, and it's quite lovely. So what I'm doing is folding it in half and then cutting on an angle, and that's giving a fishtail end to the ribbon. I put some adhesive along the back of it, my favorite adhesive, which is Stampin' Seal. I kind of missed the edge there, so I have to just quickly fold it over on itself so that there is no adhesive on the card so that it doesn't stick to the envelope. Aren't I nice? I'm a giver. All right, so dimensionals on the back of that circle, and there is dimensionals on my fussy cut warm hello sentiment, and this is my final card for the lake house. The next lake house is happening in September, and we'll do this all over again. So thanks so much for watching, and we're back to normal broadcasting Monday, Wednesday, and Friday next week. Bye for now.